Hey guys, back with another video and we are going fishing. So the basic fishing you need: hooks, which are $2, a bobber, which is $1, pole, which is $15, I think.
Yeah.
And this was from Royal King, and we are going to go fishing. We don't show you how to get the line through the hook. It's easy. You just need to slide right through. You can do. By the way, this one has these are the kind of have a button. So if you have a button one, please press the button. The line will get loose. You need to like pull it through some. Because I'm very sure I'm gonna ask my dad to finish it up.
And show them what kind of hooks you got. You guys can get a picture of it. They're little bluegill hooks.
Very little.
Okay. You got a little bobber. Okay, and
Bobber's
Daddy's doing.
Right through the hoops.
Make sure you hold on to it.
Yeah,
You
that
put the
is
line.
important
I
thing.
can't see.
Through all the eyelets. Make sure the line is straight and not wrapped around your pole anywhere. Then once you get some line out, we're going to pick up the pole and you're just going to turn it a little bit to click it. That makes the line stay now. So it won't keep coming out. You can see how it stays. So now Roxy's going to tie a hook on. Huh? So Roxy tied a simple barrel knot. There'll be a link popping up in the top right hand corner that you can click on to learn how to tie those knots. They're really easy for kids. So next we're going to put on the bobber. Started downpouring outside when Roxy was getting this knot done, so the knot is done. You could clip that tail a little shorter right there, but that's fine for what we're doing with bluegill. Next is to put on your bobber. It's a standard stick bobber. And the reason we're using this for beginners, and I'm not putting a weight on the line, is so that the bobber will actually sit in the water flat. So if a fish even swims by it, that bobber starts to tip. Or if he's just nibbling it, it'll kind of tip. That teaches the kids when it's there. If you got a regular round bobber, it don't do anything except go up and down when they actually bite it. This will actually show them when they're right on it, getting ready to take it, or they got it in their mouth and they just haven't swam with it. So they'll be able to be ready to pull it so they don't pull too soon. So easy thing with this bobber for kids, it's just spring loaded here. We're just going to pull that spring down. You see that little cut in there? We're going to put that about 2 foot up the line. We're going to drop the line in that little cut. We're going to go around a couple times. And let the spring go, and now your bobber's on there. Now if your bobber starts slipping back and forth when you're casting, you can pull the spring down and wrap it again, or you can use it to you can unwrap it a little bit and pull the bobber down for a different length. So it is adjustable, you're not ruining your line. So now that we got this all ready for Roxy with our 3 items we had to go get for less than 20 bucks, we got a pole, our bobber, and a pack of hooks. So we're getting ready to head out to the lake. Today, when we go out to the lake, we're going to be using worms. They seem to work the best in the pond we're at. They're going to be little red worms, and we'll go over that when we get to the pond here. So if the rain stops, we'll be heading out. But for now, you can wire up your poles and get them ready to go.